Yade, the Nebazad Yadahalian, the language keepers, Navajo language keepers, and you are with Navajo II and early intervention, early intermediate. Early intermediate. And this is the one that we call language. So this is the one that we want to video clip for pass off. Okay. Somebody said, Mr. Long, would you put some English words in there so we know what we're saying, what we're trying to say? So this is what the red is in there for. Do and height out how it sounds. And then is over here again, sounds. And the go like this. Okay. So this is the way it goes. Be do height out Be do be go So answering the question and an answer. Number 2, no, not yet. Just a sound. Do height out Do go Okay. Do height out Do go Do height out Do go 5. Do height out Do go Do height out Do go Do height out Do go go Do height out Do go All right. This is your pass out for lesson number 6, Navajo 2.